Lastly, as it pertains to programs, we want to talk about some special homebuyer assistance programs that we have available. And that's going to include down payment assistance programs. I'm sure you have all worked with a buyer who had zero savings for a down payment. And the good news is that we have options for that. So with our down payment assistance programs, we have a variety of ways that we can help your borrower to become successful homeowners. One of which is the OFA program, which I know many of you have probably heard about in the state of Ohio. In the state of Michigan, because I know we cover Michigan as well, they have a very similar bond program called MISHDA. Now, these programs are provided to borrowers through the state, and it is a bond program that places a second lien on the property. That second lien is a silent second mortgage. So the borrower does not have to make any payments on it. It does not accrue interest. And the terms and structure for each one of those programs, whether it's the state of Michigan or the state of Ohio, are going to be slightly different, but they are going to offer the customer assistance with their down payment and closing costs. We also have a product called Home Ready and Home Possible. And these programs work in conjunction with your standard conforming loan, which is through Fannie Mae and Freddie Mac. And it offers buyers that are first-time home buyers the ability to purchase the home with as little as 3% down. Now, in addition to that, we have a program that will allow some buyers that meet the income limits to receive a 2% grant of that 3% down from the lender. So 2% of the money comes as a grant from the lender that does not have to be repaid. And then the borrower comes up with their 1% in addition to their closing costs, helping them to total that 3% so that we can close on the loan for them. Now, in addition to that, we have some specialty products like renovation loans. So you've got a customer that is looking to purchase a home, and maybe the home isn't in the perfect shape and it needs some love. So in these cases, we have renovation loan products, such as the FHA 203K program and the Fannie Mae and Freddie Mac Home Style Renovation Program. These allow the borrower to purchase the home. Using the loan, they acquire the property, and then they can also finance in the cost of repairs. These programs can be very involved and a little bit cumbersome to get through the process, but reach out to your lender if you have any interest in learning more about them. And then lastly, we mentioned the conforming loan limit. So the conforming loan limit is $806,500 as of 2025. So what happens when you have a property that exceeds that conforming loan limit? Well, in cases like that, we have what we call non-conforming loans or jumbo loans. And loans that fall over that $806,000 conforming limit fall into this category. Now, jumbo loans typically come with a higher interest rate because, again, there's usually a higher risk associated with them, but at least we know that we've got a product available for your customers that just don't fit in that conforming limit.